Hi guys, and welcome to Double Signature. Now in this video we'll be learning how to make EDE OFE paste. To begin, you place the cocoyams in a pot, add water and boil till it's soft. So once it gets soft enough, you remove the pot and peel the cocoyam while it is hot, because it's easier to get the skin off while it is hot. Now remember, this particular cocoyam is slimy. EDE OFE is used as thickener for some of the Nigerian soups, especially the Eastern Nigerian soup you'll be making. Okay, so you have to save this for when you are ready. Now once you peel the cocoyam, you pound it till you get a smooth paste and your EDE OFE is ready. Now it is used as a thickener for some of the soups like Oha Soup, Onubu soup, and most of the Igbo soups you'll be making. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Till next time, bye bye.